Is your skin feeling sensitive, tight, or reactive? This could be a sign of a damaged skin barrier, which serves as the front line of defense for your skin. The skin barrier locks in moisture while keeping out harmful irritants. When this barrier is compromised, it loses its protective abilities, leading to issues such as redness, dryness, and irritation. Fortunately, you can aid your skin's recovery in just 7 days by following a few key steps. First and foremost, assess your product usage. If you've recently overexposed your skin to strong active ingredients like retinol, glycolic acid, or salicylic acid, it's crucial to take a break. For the next week, set these products aside as they can exacerbate irritation and delay the healing process. Prioritize recovery over treatment and allow your skin to breathe and recuperate. Next, simplify your skincare routine by eliminating potential irritants. Avoid fragrances, essential oils, and harsh foaming cleansers, as these can further agitate your skin. Stick to a minimalistic skincare lineup. Even products that were previously well tolerated can become bothersome. Pay attention to how your skin reacts and err on the side of caution. If something stings or feels uncomfortable, discontinue use immediately. A gentle approach is essential during this healing phase. Transition to using a mild, hydrating cleanser that is fragrance-free and pH-balanced. Cleansing should leave your skin feeling refreshed and clean without tightness or discomfort. This gentle cleansing routine is foundational to minimizing irritation and fostering recovery. Next, turn your attention to rebuilding the barrier. Look for products that are rich in ceramides, panthenol, and Centella asiatica. These ingredients work synergistically to restore hydration, calm inflammation, and strengthen the skin's natural defenses. Finally, locking in moisture is critical for your healing. Consider slugging, applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly on top of your moisturizer overnight, or opt for enriched barrier creams that contain zinc oxide. These acts safeguard against moisture loss. Moreover, as your barrier heals, don't forget daily sun protection. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, preferably mineral-based with zinc oxide, as it's gentler for sensitive skin.